Hello everyone, my name is Bhavish Lohar and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Quest Achiever. So today's the topic basically HCF and LCM. Okay, so this HCF and LCM is like this is the parameter which is helpful in many of the question also. Okay, so that is the important part. Okay, and even this topic is really important. Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, so question given is basically you need to find basically the HCF of the given numbers like 12, 24, 72 and 96. So we'll see now basically how to start with this. So just draw like this, write down all these number whatever given, and you need to find basically the HCF of this. So what you will do basically, you can see that this is common, right? 12, 24, 72, like it is a multiple of 12, right? So you can select directly 12, but what I suggest you that basically you start with these two because all are even. Okay, see in this row, in this column, basically you need to choose a prime number only. Okay, start with the prime number only. So least prime number is 2. Why I choose 2 only? Because all are even, that's why I choose basically a 2. Otherwise I can choose also 3. Okay, but 3 से सबसे पहले I will choose 2. Okay, so 3, 6, 12 and that is 36 and that is 48. Clear? Again I can choose 2 because all are even and it is divisible by 2. So this is 3, 4, 18, 24. Now there is a possibility of 2 is not there. Okay, because 3 is there, right? So what you need to do basically, you need to check basically और कोई जा रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, I think 6 will come here. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 18s are 36 and 48. Clear? So now what you need to choose basically a 3. Okay, 3 1s are, 3 2s are and 3 6 are 18 and finally 3 8s are. As soon as you get 1 over here, okay, in this row, then you need to stop. Okay, you need to stop and you will get basically a final your answer, that is HCF. HCF will become 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 4s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. This is your HCF. Clear? Okay, so they see what we did. ऐसा देख के तो हम लोगों को भी प्रैक्टिस, सी इफ़ यू प्रैक्टिस मोर ना, यू डायरेक्टली तुम लोगों को पता चल जाएगा कि HCF ही है, बिकॉज 12 is a multiple of 24 also 72 and this. Directly you can find it out, but otherwise if you don't know how to find the HCF of this number, then you go with the simple method. Okay, ये भी फास्ट करोगे तो फटाफट हो जाएगा. 2 6 are 12. What I did basically 2 into 6, this give 2 into this, 2 into this and so on. Okay, but see you need to select all this prime number, that is divide all the numbers. Okay, like I choose 2 which divide 12 also, 24 also, 72 also, 96 also. Same again I divide this. Okay, I choose 2 and that will divide all this number. Again I choose 3. Why not 2? Because 3 is there. Okay, 3 is there, that's why I won't select 2. Clear? Then I choose 3, that's why 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18, 3 8s are 24. That will divide this whole row. Okay, like 3 6 18 and 24. If I choose 2, it won't divide 3. That's why I won't choose. For HCF you need to select that prime number that will divide all the numbers, otherwise won't choose. Okay, clear? And then you will get basically here your final answer. See, as soon as you get 1 over here, then stop, don't go further. Okay, clear? Then the current your answer basically, this is the HCF of the number. Now we will move with the next question. Same we will do here. Okay, HCF of the number. Second question is HCF of 30, 42 and okay. So again you need to draw this 30, 42 this. Clear? Now see, now in this case I can't choose 2 because it is not a multiple. 105 is not a multiple of this. Then I will see that 3 is a multiple. पूरा जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है, यहाँ से देखना पड़ेगा. 3 10s are, yes, you can check 3. जैसे 3 से कैसे जाएगा, तो 4 plus 2 6, yes, 6 divided by 3 is 2, yes, it is divisible by. Same you all, whenever you need to check 3 का multiple है कि नहीं, then you just add all digit and see that the sum is divisible by 3 or not. Like 0 plus 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Yes, it is divisible by. 4 plus 2, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Yes, it is divisible by. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 5, 6 divided by 2, 3 is 2. So you can see that it is divisible by 3. So 3 tens are, 3 ones are, 3 fours are, and 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are. Clear? Again check. 3 threes are 9, 5s are, 3 ones are, 3 fours are. Clear? Then what you need to do, then you see it divide all, right? So that's why I select here. Now again you need to choose that number that will divide all the numbers. Okay, which number you will choose that will divide all the number? Okay, so basically this all will not come in the one table. Like जैसे यहाँ पे 10 अगर यहाँ पे 15 होता, then it will divide by 5 also. 5 twos are, 5 threes and rest 5 sevens are. So this you have to stop here only, and basically you will get basically the 3 is the HCF. Okay, here is your answer. Clear? Like HCF of the 30, 42, 105 is 3 only. Clear? Don't go further because see यहाँ पे 1 लाने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, because मुझे पता है कि यहाँ पे 10, 14 and 35 will not come in the one table. Okay, if the LCM asks, then you can go proceed with the further, but HCF is like you need to stop here only. Okay, see in previous case what we did, basically we solve up to 1 and we got 1 and then we stop, but वहाँ पे एक ऐसी possibility थी that 1 is coming, but in all case 1 will not come. Okay, so 32, 42, and then again we see that 10, 14 and 35 will not divisible by in one table. Okay, so that's why we stop, and we got basically a highest common factor, that is HCF of this number. Clear? Then we will see in the next, okay, in next class we will see basically the LCM of the numbers. Okay, so till then, thank you so much.